Hello guys, in this video we will be starting off with the technical analysis and I will be explaining you how I did the Reliance analysis and captured the bottom at 2005. So it reached a low of only 2000 rupees, so that was only a 5-point move. And so people who are following my Telegram channel would know that Reliance actually went from 2005 to 2195. So that was a big move which was captured in my Telegram channel. And also we'll be seeing how to buy nearly 8 grams, that is 1 pound of gold at around 6000 rupees. And let's get into the video now. First of all, I am just opening tradingview.com. So this is my setup for normal trading, but I'll clear all these as of now and let's just start from the scratch. I'm opening the chart of Reliance and I'm changing the time frame to hourly time frame. So basically what we must know before getting into all of this is just that in the charts we'll be seeing that each and every candle will be in green or red depending upon the opening and close price in that time frame. So I'm just selecting hourly time frame. So in that 1 hour the opening price is shown below and the closing price is shown above, and so this candle is in green. So if we take another candle which is in red, the opening price will be above and the closing price will be below. The extension above and below shows that the price has been fluctuating throughout that range, and the topmost part captures the highest price it has reached in that specific time frame, that is in 1 hour, and the bottom point denotes the lowest price it has reached in that specific time frame, that is 1 hour. The second concept which we need to see is the concept of support and resistance. So the point where the stock finds it very difficult to cross and go down is the support, and the price where the stock finds it difficult to cross and go up above is called as the resistance. For example, I am just taking an IRCTC, where we can see that 1400 levels, it is actually normally a band only, so 1400 levels is a good resistance level and 1300 is a good support level. So whenever the price reaches 1400, then it will come down, and as soon as it reaches 1300 it will go up. So that is how it normally goes, but it does not mean that it will happen every time. Sometimes it will break the support and go down also, sometimes it will break the resistance and go up also. So why we need to know about support and resistance is to take trades because these are high probability zones. We can buy IRCTC at 1300, and suppose if it goes down, we must immediately exit. At even 1290 we can exit, but on the other side if it goes up, it will actually reach 1400 because that is the next resistance level. So that is a good bet. There are a number of technical analysis indicators available, but we must be actually able to choose the right indicators and combine with other indicators to get maximum results out of it. TradingView is actually a good platform to start, so you can actually experiment with TradingView. You can just explore all the features available, and so if you want to add indicators, just click this FX option and then you will be able to see this window. Here you have to type relative strength index, RSI, in order for opening this RSI index. So for any kind of indicators you have to go and then click here only. So other features also you can just explore yourself. Basically I'm just going to start up with RSI. You guys might be knowing RSI, but then there are actually many unconventional methods to use RSI also. So I'll be explaining now about the unconventional method, how to use RSI. Basically this is the formula for RSI, and normally what they do is when RSI reaches 30, they will consider it as oversold region and they will buy, and when RSI goes above 70 levels, then they will consider it as overbought region and they will sell. So that is how the normal RSI indicator is actually used, but then we'll be using it a bit differently. So this works best on ultra bullish stocks like Reliance, or it even works on gold. So basically what we have to do is we have to draw support and resistance lines in RSI itself. So if we I'm just opening RSI indicator here, and I'm just drawing the support level for RSI. This is an ultra bullish stock, so Reliance is an ultra bullish stock, so I'm just drawing the support level for RSI. These zones act as a good buying levels for the stock. On the other hand, if we want to sell some stock, we can actually go for resistance. We have to draw resistance lines for RSI and we have to sell based upon the resistance, and the stop loss can be very low. I'm just taking the case of buying here. So in Reliance, the RSI value just came down to 30, which is actually a very strong buy signal because Reliance was an ultra bullish stock. In such cases, we can actually keep the stop loss for RSI. That is, when RSI reaches like 25, we have to take loss and then we have to exit. And on the other side, if things move in our favor and if Reliance hits RSI of 70, then we can actually sell the stock. So this simple strategy actually made us gain more than 190 points. So if you are actually a risk taker and if you want to take more profits out of it, you can actually go to derivatives. So in options, if we can see, Reliance 2100 call option actually gained more than 90% in just a single day. So that is like 90% profit in a single day. So if you want to know more about derivatives, you can check out my previous videos. So coming back to RSI, we can actually apply the same concept to gold also, because it is rising day by day and it is actually very bullish right now. And so if we consider the same concept here in RSI, if suppose gold reaches an RSI value of 30, then it is a strong buy signal. But before that, it is not allowed to reach 30 itself. So what should we do? We should actually look for the support levels of the RSI and we should buy from there. And for beginners who are actually looking out for investing in gold, you can actually go and then type here as gold bees. So gold is actually traded in stock market only as gold bees. So it will be available in terms of quantities. So one quantity of gold is available at 48.5 rupees right now. So basically it will move according to the original value of gold. But the price will be a little less than the actual value of gold, because there will be no wastage in terms of this gold bees, and also there will not be any kind of storage space required, because this is actually digital gold stored in your account. So next we will be seeing how to leverage and then buy gold. I have mentioned that we can buy around 8 grams of gold at 6,000 only. So there is a feature called marginal trading facility which will be available with some brokers. I saw many brokers and then their offerings, and then opened this account because this had this marginal trading facility. So what I have done now is I have bought 1000 quantity of gold, and you can see it would have cost me around 47,980 rupees, but actually they have taken only 6,000 around 6,000 rupees only. But however, if you are using this facility, actually what will happen is they will charge you 50 rupees per day for every 1 lakh rupees. So if I am buying around 2000 quantities of gold, it would have cost me around 1 lakh rupees, and for that I will be charged 50 rupees per day for keeping it. But the value of gold is rising pretty much very rapidly. So if we can see, it went from 44 to 46 in just 5 days. So if we can calculate, I am going to buy 2000 quantity of gold at 44 rupees, and I am going to sell 2000 quantity of gold at 46 rupees. So that will give me 2 rupee profit for one quantity. So 2000 quantities means we will have 4000 rupees profit. But on the other hand, 5 days, for 5 days they will charge 50 rupees for each day, so 250 rupees only will get deducted, and there is a net profit of 3750 rupees. So this is the power of leveraging in gold. So if we can properly analyze and if suppose the same case like Reliance happens, like if suppose the gold's RSI value comes down to 30, then it will be a huge buying opportunity for gold. And so we have to wait for that. Safe traders can actually wait for that point, and at that point we can actually leverage, and then we can buy more quantity of gold at a lesser price, and then we can increase the leverage and increase your profits. So if your broker is not actually allowing for this kind of marginal trading facility, you can actually text me for the details. So my WhatsApp number is given below. You can just text me regarding the brokerage details and what broker to use for availing this marginal trading facility. And also, if you want to open a free demat account, you can also use my referral and open. I'll be guiding you through the process. Each and everything which I say is actually completely free, so you can actually enjoy the benefits. And I hope this video was useful, and we'll be seeing more in-depth analysis as we go further, and we'll be trying to combine different technical analysis indicators, and we'll be using it for high probable trades and for better profitability. So stay tuned everyone. Thank you for watching.